The first time I saw this, I think it is real, but actually it is a filter where like it turn your face into crying. And now let me show you how to have this. I saw this trending on TikTok. Now let me show you how to have and how to get it. First, you need to go into Snapchat. So for those of you that don't have Snapchat, you need to download it and create an account. And then all you have to do is just go ahead and launch Snapchat, and you're gonna find some of these buttons. So but don't worry about it. You need to click on this one, and then you're gonna go ahead and go into search, and you're gonna search for crying. Just go ahead and type it on the search bar. Right here from the search result, you're gonna see on the top crying, and then it indicates that length. Tap on it, and then this filter will be applied. So now let me move my face a bit so you can see, and you can see the filter at the moment. It turns your face into crying, and it is very trending right now. And if you want to get it later on, you don't need to search it one more time. All you have to do is just go ahead and tap on the favorite button. It will add into the favorite tab. So after that, when you click on the search button, it will stay on the top. You don't need to search one more time. This filter is very awesome. It looks like a real face. And thanks for watching. And if you want more tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Then I will see you guys in the next one.